In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a hole saw to a DeWALT Impact Driver. So you'll notice I've got a little bit of a selection of hole saws here, and there's only two ways you can ever connect these to your impact driver, and I'm going to show you both of these now. So you'll notice that they all have different shanks on the end of these hole saws because they all come from different kits. So the only hole saws that will fit directly into your impact driver are these with a hex shank with a little notch out. So as you would insert any other bit, pull the collar forward on your impact driver, slot your hole saw in, and you're good to go. We'll attach a link to a set of these in the description. The only other way you can connect your hole saws to your impact driver is to get yourself one of these adapter chucks. We picked this one up fairly cheaply off Amazon, and it means you can use any hole saw or any drill bit in your impact driver. So if you've got a lot of old bits lying around, these can be ideal to get them used up. So pull the collar forward, and as you can see, it operates just like a normal drill chuck. So you can place any hole saw in the end and start drilling your holes. Hope this video has helped and given you the two ways you can attach a hole saw to a DeWALT Impact Driver. Have fun drilling. Thanks for watching.